Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. Your boy JJ right here once again. I hope y'all like that little thumbnail I made. It's called the voting thumbnail. I am going to be doing weekly votes. Just to let you know, we're going to roll a little B-roll for you. So I do hope that we can get this going. So stick around, don't go anywhere, don't touch it out. We got more for you, so do stay tuned right here at JJ's PC Builds. Alright, welcome back. You all are wondering why I made this thumbnail. I made this thumbnail so that way, I am trying to get 1,000 subscribers. We're just going to start there. I got 20 so far, and I do thank the 20 that I have here. You guys are awesome. You've been the greatest, and I hope to continue to keep building from the 20 subscribers I have, But I do need 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal to reach for this channel, is to reach up to 1,000 subscribers and to get 4,000 view hours. It takes everybody to view the videos I have to reach the 4,000 hours. I'm going to continue to make videos. I am not going to stop. I just figured I'd let you know that. This is just a quick video to let you know where we're standing, with the amount of people and the amount of hours. I'm going to go ahead and pull up real quick and tell you how much hours we got so far, so that way you all know how many hours we got in so far. Looking at the analytics, we have 2,628 views so far. But the watch time is 136.2 hours. That's what we have right now, is 136.2, and we have to reach 4,000. Now, in order to reach 4,000, I'm going to have to do a little bit of homework and tell you how much we're going to need. So we take the 4,000 hours and we minus it from the 136.20. Okay, and that equals, we now need, for watch time, we now need 3,863.80 hours. Okay, so the more that you watch, the better we are off. I'm going to continue to make videos, and I hope y'all keep watching them, because I'll do my best that I can on them. Just to let you know. This is just a recap of what's going on, and if we're moving upwards towards our goals, which we are. We're moving slowly, not as fast as I wish we would have moved, but we are moving up slowly, just to let you know. So I'm going to continue the videos, and also too, I'm hoping on Saturday I can do a live video on I could do a live segment on graphics cards nightmares. Just to let you know, I'm hoping I can do it. I'm going to try for it and see if I can get it together. It'll be my first video here on my first live video here on YouTube. So we are going to try for that. We're going to try for at least to do it for an hour. If I can't get the video to work correctly, I'm going to keep working at it so I can get it to stream correctly for you all. So as far as me posting, I don't have a decent capture card, which I don't have any capture card. I'm just using the OBS Studios. So once I figure out OBS Studios, we'll go from there. But until then, we're going to work our way towards, doing live streams. I'm going to be taking questions and answers, taking questions, giving you answers, and stuff like that. So I hope this Saturday, we get everybody on board. Make sure you tell your friends and everybody to come on and join us right here at JJSPC Builds. But I'm not going to make this a long video. I'm only going to make this a very short video. But do let you know we'll have that going on tomorrow night. So make sure you're here. Make sure that you're ready. You got your popcorn, you got your soda and everything else. And we'll probably put a voting poll in there for you. So do remember, get ready to do your voting. I do got a voting poll in here, just to let you know. For right now, let's see. It's for the collaboration. In the past collaboration videos, would you choose AMD or Intel build? Basically, I did three videos. The first two one was an Intel build, and the second one was an AMD build. To price it out, to show you how much it would cost to do a decent build to put together, you know what I mean? So I did the third video as a summary to the first and second, and I left a polling on the community page to let you all choose which one to choose. Would you choose the Intel build or would you choose the AMD build? Just to let you know. I'd love to see everybody to get your vote on. I see that everybody's more or less they're streamed towards NVIDIA right now. But don't forget, AMD does have graphics cards coming out on the 13th. Just to let you know. 13th of December, there should be new graphics cards coming out for then. NVIDIA's got their 4080 16 gigabyte video card coming out soon, I think in December. So, I'll be keeping y'all up to date on it, so just do stick around for that as well. We're going to add those cards also too into what we're doing on graphics card nightmares as well. I'm going to add those in first and get those out of the way, and then I'm going to go through different amount of graphics cards that I would think that you would never end up buying because they would be a nightmare. Okay, so we're going to take and leave it right here, and then tomorrow we'll pick it back up. Until the next video, which is tomorrow, and don't forget, tomorrow, let's see, tomorrow, I'll do graphics card nightmares about 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if it's too late, make sure you shoot me a comment in the description below. Let me know if that's a little too late before I decide to keep it in stone for tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That'll be about 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or, just let me know. if that's a little too late, we'll see what we can do about making it an earlier video. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe and like the videos and watch them from beginning to end, would be much appreciated. This is JJ, your boy. We're going to go ahead and sign up out of here and see you on the next stream. So do take care and be happy, peaceful, and enjoy your day.